Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to play stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask question and suggest coin so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. Yes sir. Okay. Hello everyone. Meow, hello. Mia. Hello. Oh, you're present number 1, Meow, huh? Arviel, hello. Ariel, hello. Lodi, Klee, Matthew, Klein, B. Zangwin, hello. Okay. Rian Perenya, hello. Yo. Ako si Julo. Hello. Welcome, we are an educational platform, okay? You can check our previous live stream to add it in your trading strategy. It seems like we have found our support for our Bitcoin. We'll see if it's going to break this area. If this breaks this area, 414, then that would mean we're gonna pump again to the upside, okay? Okay. Hello. Dump BTC. Yes, I hope you have taken profit already, okay? So we're gonna have another signal this evening. So, whenever you have a profit, TP when happy. Okay, that's always our advice. TP when happy. Hello, hello, Myro Jr. Hello. Hello po, Coach. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, hello. Okay, I gave the signal that I gave. I was busy today, so I gave my signal early. Imagine my signal was given 7:48 a.m. Okay? Because I have some errands to do the whole day. So I have something to do away. I'll be away from my computer. So I gave out this signal 7:48 a.m. Okay? So the entry was 41233. And I think we have reached up to 4781, right? Yeah, so this dump right here is 40,451. So our signal is, yeah, we have reached at least our TP1, almost to our TP2. Okay? Okay. So I hope this was too early. That's the entry that I gave you. We are still in that area. Okay, when I gave this out, it was still trying to drop 41.3. This red candle here. Okay. So when I gave this signal, it was still right here. Okay. Hello. Late ka, Jeramil. Ang gulo ng chart ko. Yeah, clean your chart. Hello, Ben. Hello, Ruby. Good to see you here. We are an educational platform. And you can check our previous live stream to add it in your trading strategy. If you're a newbie, you can just observe and watch. And I hope you learn something and you start making money in the market also. Okay? Myla, Myro, Lara. Hello. Blair. Jo Marie Guerrero. Hello. Thank you for joining us, okay? We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream to add it to your trading strategy. Okay? So whenever I gave this early, I also gave my here in TS marketing, I also gave the TikTok content 8:02 a.m. Okay? So if you want to see the signal, this signal right here, if this is delayed posted in our practical group, usually this TikTok, usually it's uploaded right away, or you can check. That's why you need to follow our TikTok. Okay, so are you part of our TikTok already? Okay, let me check our TikTok. So you need to follow our TikTok because the signal is also available there. Trade Scholar. Okay. So in Trade Scholar. Okay. Let's check our main. I think this is our main. Trade Scholar. Okay, so we have 1,655 followers. 7,428 likes. Okay. And I think this is pinned post, I guess. Okay. So from here, you can just check, okay? Okay. Is this the one? Okay. Okay, so basically, you follow us, okay? So you get, kakaumpisa lang po ba niyo, coach? Yes, we just started, okay? So basically, you follow our TikTok also, okay? So you can get our signal in TikTok and also in our practical group, okay? Okay, and you can leave heart right away right there. Okay. So, now for basic technical analysis, you must learn. Okay, for basic, you can start with this moving average, okay? For newbies right there. Hello, Manuel, hello, Chris Cruz, hello. So you can use moving average, okay? Very important indicators you can use this one, 20, 50, 200. Okay, let me have an example chart here. Let's open new, and let's use the 20, 50, and 200. Okay, so how do you use this 20, 50, 200? This is basic. Okay, moving average, you type here in the indicator moving average. Okay, once you type, you just click the exponent, the updated 1, 2. You click another one, you click another one, you get 3. And then from here, you edit the input. The input first is 20. You change the visibility to yellow. At least you see right away. Okay, and then the next one, 50. The time frame is chart, okay? So it adjusts right away. And then the last one is 200. Okay, 200 for you to spot the bearish momentum right away. Okay? So right here. So the yellow is the 20, the blue is the 50, and the violet is the 200. And as you can see, this is a crossover from 20 and 50. So this is already a bullish momentum right here. So once you see a chart, let me show you something. Let me pull out the 30 minutes. For example, you see a chart like this. Blue, 20, 50, and then the 200 is below. That is bullish. Okay? That is bullish. And as you can see, it started to pump here. Okay? 5 minutes. Let me check the 5 minutes. Auto. Okay. So, moving average. You're done with the drop, right? So, we'll check 1 hour time frame. You check in 1 hour and 4 hour, okay? So, for your convenience. Okay, just like here. Always pumping, right? And then drop again. Okay? So, basically, once the yellow is above, okay, once the yellow, the 20, this one, the 20 is above the blue. And then, what's the blue? The blue, I haven't changed it yet. The blue should be 50. Okay. And then the violet, 200. Okay, here. Now, it's already yellow here. If the yellow is above, then that is bullish. 20, 50, 200. It should look like that, okay? So, for bullish momentum, you see this one? Whenever you see it consolidating, this one you call consolidating, okay? The 3 moving average are interchanging. So, that's consolidation. Meaning, it's finding strength first. Whenever you see a clear direction, the yellow separates, the blue separates, the violet separates, the 20, the 50, and the 200 separates, then that is already bullish. So as you can see here, it pump here, okay? Okay. So this is the 20 moving average, the 50, and the 200. So this is fairly basic, and you can use it, okay? You can use it for the newbies out there. If you don't want to see so many indicators, you can start from these 3. Okay? Okay. This is for a newbie. Okay? So for the pro out there, it's okay. You can use whatever you are using already. But this is just a suggestion really for people no experience in trading, who were just following some signal, who were just listening to some YouTuber. So at least you have your first tool. Okay, this is your first indicator, the moving averages. Okay, when I say moving average, if it says 20 moving average, it means 20 candle. That's 20 moving average. Okay, so it's computed, and then the moving average, finding the average, and then that's where this line goes. Okay, 50 moving average, which means it's a 50 candle time frame, in divide it by 50 candle, and then finding the average. Okay, you add that 50 candle and then you find the average, and then you divide it by 50, and then you find your moving average. Okay, and then this one is the 200 moving average. Okay, in 200 moving average, 200 candles. Okay, 200 candles added its value and then divide it by 200, then you find the average. Okay, and then that is the price right there. Okay, as you can see, we are still bullish since here. Okay, and then we are continuing the bullish trend in 1 hour time frame. If it is 1 hour time frame, every candle represents 1 hour. Okay, and then 4 hour time frame, and then daily time frame. Every candle, once it's daily time frame, here I'm clicking, right? I hope you see what I'm clicking. So every day, every candle represents 1 day. Okay, so 1 day time frame, and this one another day, this one another day. Okay, so whenever you are below, okay, let's check the weekly. Whenever you are below the 200 moving average, that is bearish. Okay, so right here we are below 200 moving average, so we are in a bearish market. If you put it in 4 hour time frame, that's the measurement for bearish market. Okay, so if you are in 4 hour time frame and then 200 moving average, you are below it, that means you are in the bear market. Okay, so we have been in the bear market since November 15 after the drop 2021, and then we break out here February 4. Okay, you see we always get a rejection. Okay, and then crossover and then drop again, and then above again, then drop again, above again. Okay, above again, and then we found support, and then we pump again, and then we are trying to find support, and we are hoping to pump again. Okay, so that's what we are looking at with the 200 moving average. Okay, let me explain another explanation for this one. 1 hour time frame. When the market, okay, listen. When the market respects, okay, when I say respect, it means it's resting in the moving average. Okay, the line. Okay, for example, this one, when it bounces in the 20 moving average, that means it is respecting this trend line, okay, or this moving average. And if it is respecting this one, that means the market is a volatile market. Okay, the volatile market will respect the 20 moving average. Okay, take note of that one. You can see, maybe we can see it in lower time frame. We'll see if we can see some. Okay, let's try the 5 minutes just to find the one I'm trying to explain. Okay, so right here, for example, this one, every time it touches the 20 moving average, it bounces. That means this market right here is a volatile market. It is a fast market. Okay, if it gets a breakout, then the next support of line is the 50 moving average. Okay, this is the 50 moving average. So if the 50 moving average is respected, once touches the 50, it bounces. So that means the market is in normal trend. Okay, if it is bouncing in 50 moving average, it's normal trend. But right how this one is crisscrossing, so we are in consolidation again. And then if it bounces in 200 moving average, that means we are in the slow market. Okay, the market is slow. Okay, so that's what we are seeing. So as you can see, bounces in the 20 moving average, the yellow, and then bounces again, and then break out, and then tried to bounce in that 50, and then tried to bounce in the 50, tried, and then we went again to the 20. Okay, we break out. If you stay below, okay, this one, we started going below. If the yellow is below 20 moving average, the 50 next, and then the 200, we are now entering the bear market in this area, in this time frame. Okay, so if you get a respect in the 20 moving average, then you went down again. After touching the 20, you went down, but not now. It touches the 50, so it's respecting the 50 moving average. So it means it's a normal trend to the downside. Okay, normal market trend to the downside. So touching and then goes down, touching again, goes down, touching again, goes down. Okay, and then until touching goes down, and then until we broke the 50 moving average, and we respect the 200 moving average again, drops again. Okay, so that's how the market respects the 200, and then we went down again, we went down again. Okay, and we are trying to be bullish. The 20 moving average is crossing the 50, so we cross. That's a once you see this kind of gap right here, it's signaling a change of trend. Okay, the 20 and the 50 is having this huge drop here. That's gonna start a change of trend. Okay, so meaning we're gonna change the direction from going down to going up again. So I'm looking at the 5 minutes time frame only, okay? So I can show you some clear example here. Okay, and right now we have cross. Now we are respecting the 20 moving average. So we are back in the bullish time frame. And then we are in the volatile market, fast market, and it's respecting every time it touches the yellow. Respects, 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 respects. Now the 50. Okay, this is the 50 moving average. It's about to cross the 200 moving average. If this succeeds, okay, it goes there, and this one goes here, and this one continues. So what happens? This is already a bullish market, okay? 20, 50, 200. Okay? So we have stayed here from 4 a.m. below. We have stayed here 4 a.m. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay. So that's the 20, 50, and 200. Did I sound clear? Did you understand me? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, John Paulo Lumaps. Jen Russell Bertulfo. Hello, good evening. Thank you for joining us. Okay, we are an educational platform, and you can check our previous live stream and add it to your trading strategy. Okay. Okay, I use though for confirmation, sir. And plus MACD. Yes, yes, good. Using MACD also, okay? I haven't taught MACD here yet. It's fairly the basic. It's always in every exchange. So usually you don't have to teach the MACD anymore. So okay. Anyway, so we can also add that to our some lectures, okay, in the future. Okay? So, but usually what you see here in our material in teaching is the one I'm using, okay? I'm using it in my trading, okay? So, we can add it soon. We can add it other indicators also. We can add it here, okay? So, that's how you look at the moving average, okay? So, once you touch the 20, it respects it, then that's a volatile market. That's a fast market. Once it touches the 50, it's a normal market. Okay, normal volatility. If it touches the 200 moving average and still respects, that's a slow market. Okay. Okay, okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Mary. Hello, Jo Marie Guerrero. Yes, you can join our Raffle. Okay? Raffle. Feel free to join our Raffle, okay? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So that's for our basic technical analysis you must learn, okay? Just the basic. Okay? Okay, okay. So right now, the next one is let's check some news. What is our crypto greed and fear index? Our crypto greed and fear index is now 30. Still in fear. We are not yet in neutral, okay? Let me refresh it to make sure. Yes, yes, it also has. Its default has also, okay? Okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so 30. So which means yesterday we are 31. Now we went down again because we dropped and then we went up again. Okay, and I always show you this one so you see a big picture, okay? You don't sway. Yes, yes, if you are a son of a trader, you will be trading at your early age, and most of the trader, there are also YouTubers who are still really young but they read the market like an adult, okay? So that's a good thing for them also. So you can trade at young age also. So you can teach your children also. You can make them a day trader. The book that I read, he asked his dad. He asked his dad and said, "Dad, what is the best job that can give me millions daily?" Okay, millions daily. So what's the job should I take? So the father told him, be a day trader. Okay? Study technical analysis. Okay? Because that's the only job that can give you millions. Okay? That can make you a millionaire. Okay? Every other else courses are all other work, job will not give you that amount. Even if you work hard, you cannot make that money. Okay? But with trading, if you become excellent, then you will be successful. And that man is the one who wrote the book. And also, he got a firm of traders in his company also. So he has a broker. He has a brokerage. So they are stockbroker. So they manage funds. Okay. Yes, yes. If they are early in exposing in the market, that's good. Maybe they are children of the day trader. Okay, so like father like son, right? So maybe the father taught him early. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Hello, hello, hello. You can beat me. Good to see you here. So basically here in Crypto Greed and Fear Index, this one is Extreme Fear 74. This one is Extreme Fear. This one Extreme Greed 79. Below here is Extreme Fear. This one is 19, 20. Okay, Extreme Fear. This one, Extreme Greed again. This one is Extreme Fear. And then Extreme Greed, Extreme Fear, Neutral, Extreme Fear, Neutral, Extreme Fear, Neutral, Extreme Fear, Fear. And we're going to Neutral. And after Neutral, we're gonna go down again or go to the Greed. Okay? So what I'm trying to say is when everybody is fearful, be greedy. When everybody is extreme greedy, then be fearful. Okay? So when the market is fearful, you open long position. When the people are extreme greed, then you open short position. Okay? Who's the contributor now for our 24-hour rec? Okay, the total liquidation. Okay? Yes, yes, that's good. You can start early, okay? At least once you start making money, then you can trade right away, okay? And the earlier you start, the better. Maybe before the age of 30, you can buy your Lambo already. Okay? So you just need a focus. Okay? I have a brother. My brother is a mechanic, aircraft mechanic. He fixes airplanes. But because of pandemic, they don't have work. So I told him, you study technical analysis. So I encourage him to do TA and make money. Okay? So he seems interested also. So that's a good thing right there. Once you learn this, you can just stay at home and make money. Again, you are with your wife. Hello, Magic Chess Allen. Hello, good to see you. No problem. We are an educational platform. You can check our previous live stream and add it to your trading strategy. Okay? So here in our community, we don't get liquidated. We hit stop loss. Okay? So if you hit your stop loss, then take the loss. Okay? That's fine. There is not always a good day. Okay? We always have our bad days in trading. We always have that one. The important thing is when you have your bad days in trading, you don't wipe out your account. Okay, you take the loss. If you always lose, then you take rest. Don't do revenge trading. You take rest. Some can recover fast. Okay? Some cannot recover that fast. Some recover after 1 day of sleep. They are back in the market. Others needs 1 week of sleep. Then, that's too much sleep, right? I mean, 1 week of rest away from the market. And then goes back to the market again after 1 week when their minds are clear already. Okay? Let me ask you, how long does it take for you to restart your mind again in trading? Okay? So if you are troubled, do not trade. Okay? It will affect your trading. Okay? So it's better not to trade than to trade and lose money again. Okay? So if it's better not to trade than to trade and lose money again. So you better relax first. And then if it needs you 1 month, then it's okay. Okay? Because the market is always there. It will not leave you. Okay? When you are ready to be back, then the market will welcome you. Okay? You can choose not to trade right away, but what you do is you just check the market. You look at it. You just imagine, if I enter this one, let's see if it happens today. Okay, so you just do that one, okay? Okay. So, we have 153 who got wrecked. Bitcoin, Ethereum, this one is ETC. Ape is number 4. It's liquidating people in Ape, huh? HNT. Okay. And Luna. Okay. So in the past 4 hours, people were riding the short and they got wrecked because it's going up again. Okay, 82% are short players and they got wrecked, okay? In the past 24 hours, the long players, this is 24 hours, okay? So that includes the whole 24 hours. 67% are long players who got liquidated, okay? So this one, if you look at this one, you can also analyze this liquidation. What you do if you want to read this liquidation, you see there is a clear sky above. There is no more cloud waiting for this take profit of this long position. So it's like they got liquidated. Okay, they got liquidated, and then now it's time to go up again because it's a clear sky. Okay, so that's how usually I look at it. When the long are getting liquidated, that means it's time already to go up. If the short are all liquidated already, there is no more short waiting, then that's the time it's going to go down. Strange, right? Okay. So look at this one. This one liquidates 174 million. 47 million. This one liquidated 114 million. And then no liquidation. And then here, it moved to the long position. 88 million got liquidated. Okay, so they usually change position only. Okay, if you observe it, after here, the liquidated were short position, 165 millions, meaning so many people are shorting it. So once they got liquidated, what's next liquidated? The long position again. Okay? Because they opened, they think that it's already going to the upside, and then the next day what happened is it's short again. Okay? After clearing the short, then it went down. People became bullish, then it went down. Okay? So you can also look at it this way, okay? This liquidation here. Hello. Okay, 631. Check our QR code in the right side. If you want to join our Telegram community, scan that QR code right there. If you don't have something to scan it, the phone, you can check our description. And then from the description, you will find our... Okay, here's what I'm talking about. The description, you can find Trade Scholar community. If you click this one, you will be redirected to our Trade Scholar community. So you will be redirected here. Okay, so once you get to join here, you get some welcome. People will welcome you here, and we also give out some direction here. We gave out some weekly time frame, daily time frame, and then 4-hour time frame, and then for long short signals, we gave it to the practical group. Okay, if you want to join the practical group, you just click welcome trade scholar, you message them, and KZ 1986. Okay, as you message them, then they will guide you how to be part of the practical group where you get the specific signals. Okay, okay. So that's what we are doing here. Okay, so here the specific signal, short position, how to trade, these are the trading. Okay, so how do you do that? This is the picture. Free community right here. You don't have to trade. You are not a trader. Okay, you are not trading. You are just sympathizing or a sympathizer. You are just watching. Okay, you just started to learn trading. Okay, and then here you want to execute already. You have learned already. It seems like you are confident already. Okay, I have some extra funds here. Maybe I can try and I can start learning trading. Okay, so if you want that, or maybe I can follow the signal of Sir RJ. Maybe I can try that one. Okay, so if that's what you are thinking, then you open ULIAN account. Okay, ULIAN.live. Okay, ULIAN.live. From there, you can scan the QR code there and you will be redirected. You can download the app, okay, for your phone. And then from there, you have 100. If you will just put in your ULIAN account 100 to 500, so it means you're gonna change exchange, okay? You're gonna add your exchange. There are so many exchanges available in the Philippines. So also ULIAN is available in the Philippines, okay? So meaning, if your funds is in Binance, you just transfer some. Like you try 100 to 500, and then from there, you use it. You use the exchange. Okay, you use the exchange and you start trading in ULIAN. Okay, and once you are in the practical, you get daily signals 2 times a day. Okay, afternoon and evening. Beginner's course, learning video, live technical analysis. Okay, daily BTC forecast. And then for the exclusive, if your funds grows to 500 greater and you want to be in the exclusive, you can just message again our community leader and then say that I have already a 500 above funds. Okay, I have grown my funds already, so can I join your exclusive? Okay, so from there you get the BTC forecast, 2 daily signals, but there are also exclusive signals because we always check. Okay, we always check. Okay, so once we check, then from there, we will see if we have other coins that we want to give you, then we can give it to you also. Okay, so we check so many coins in within the day, so we can give you those signals also. Okay, and then learning videos, one-on-one review meeting. This one is with our co-analysts. Okay, and if I can also help, but usually this is for our co-analyst also. Okay, Ian Luke. Okay, so he's also an excellent trader. Okay, so you can also we are helping also. We are having a teamwork in the signals also. Okay, so you can also have advanced courses. Okay, so even my pet agrees. Okay, so going back, now let's check the Bitcoin. Okay, now let's check the Bitcoin. We are already done. Okay, let's check the finance news. Finance suffers smart contract breach. Okay, 600,000 loss in attack. The hacker stole from 29 wallets. Finance offers hacker bug bounty. Okay, so they cannot find the bug, so they need the white hat hacker. Okay, white hat hackers are those kind hackers that find the problem of their company and then they get reward. 29 wallets got hacked. Okay, that's sad, right? That's why you need to diversify. If you have a huge amount of capital, then you need to trade in different exchanges so that when there is a hack, you cannot wipe out your account right away. Okay? Yes, there will be a insurance. It will be covered, but it takes time for the process. Okay? Live Finance offers hacker bag. The activity of scammer in the sector have continued to deepen the sector in the abyss of embarrassment. This is because the potential traders are always wary of losing their hard-earned cash to malicious actors in the sector. In another move that is pushing the crypto sector one step, Ali Finance, a decentralized finance protocol in the sector, has suffered a smart contract breach. Okay, that's sad news for the crypto world. Okay, the Shiba Inu, another news. Price analysis: SHIB market explodes at 0.002296 after the market breaks. If you remember, I think yesterday. Oh no, we did not look at Shiba yesterday, right? It's the other day, I guess. We were looking at the Shiba Inu and we found that it's already in the breaking point. And now it's already broke out and it pumped. Okay, you can see its movement. It pumped hard. Okay, it's using BB, Bollinger Band. Okay, pump and then went down again. After the breakout, right? Okay, okay. UK money expert says country is facing worst cost of living crisis he has ever seen. Protect yourself with Bitcoin. So if you want to protect yourself, protect it with the Bitcoin. So that's the UK money expert, okay, saying. Sorry, out of use. Sorry, out of use. There is no more gas here. There is no more oil. No, not much. Okay. Do you know the cheapest part, the cheapest country, cheapest cost of living in the whole world? Cheapest cost of living. Do you want to know? You might want to live in that country also. There is two cheapest country that you can live. It's the cheapest cost of living, okay? I mean the cheapest cost of living. So the one is Nepal and the other is India, okay? So the cost of living there is cheap. So you can consider also if you UK money expert, if you think your cost of living is expensive in other countries, then you can. I am virtually out of tools to help people now, says the money saving expert. Martin Lewis says UK is facing the worst cost of living crisis he has ever seen. Imagine, right? The correct advice was to save in Bitcoin. That was the missing tool and still is for me. And I think there is already another wave of COVID pandemic. So that's really bearish for the Bitcoin. And if we are expecting another crash, then that can happen because of this new wave. The case of COVID is also rising again. Okay, so I think the war in Ukraine and Russia will be affected. They need social distancing. Okay, they cannot fight in close combat. Just kidding, okay? So, but my point is, it's back again. The COVID is back again. We are done with COVID, but COVID is not done with us yet. Okay. Here's why Bitcoin bear cycles are potentially over. Okay. Hello, John Anyora. El Negro. Jeffrey Hamtig, hello. Thank you for joining us. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream to add it to your trading strategy. Feel free to suggest coin so we can add it today, okay? Okay, okay. So the Bitcoin bears, when it says a Bitcoin bear, it means it's a bear market, meaning it's a red candle to the downside, okay? That's the bear. Okay, once it says bull, that means going up. The candle is in green. Okay, that's the bull and the bears. The market has bull and bears. Okay, so I think you need to start. Okay. We're likely to see the first sign of the last cycle thesis playing out. 3 relative short bulls and bears market have transpired since the 2019 bottom already. Okay. Let me check this one. So here's the tweet. The last cycle. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And this is the last cycle right here. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Okay. After the massive inflow of institutional funds, the cryptocurrency market ecosystem matured significantly and started moving independently from Bitcoin halvings. The unpredictable walk that Bitcoin shows. Okay, so now some institutional funds, it means some banks has already been trading Bitcoin. In the Philippines, I don't know if there are already banks trading Bitcoin or they are still in stock. Okay. I have a life insurance and my insurance is not covering Bitcoin yet. They are trading only in stock market. Okay. So I don't know if they are welcoming Bitcoin as they're trading also. That can shoot up really our fund value, right? If you are familiar with fund value, it can shoot up once Bitcoin shoots up also. Okay, I think that's all for our news. Okay, let's go now to our Bitcoin. So what do we have for our Bitcoin? In weekly time frame, we have printed new candle. Wow. This is the first time we see a green volume here. Okay. And in weekly time frame, we have drawn some drawing here. Let me hide some. Okay, let me hide the fib retracement. Okay, as you can see, our drawing right here. Okay, our triangle, symmetrical triangle. We have broken out and now we are outside the symmetrical triangle. And in fact, we bounce exactly at our symmetrical triangle. And now we are right here. We are holding this line because it seems like this red, small red and big green, what's that called? If you remember. I am not into NFTs yet. I haven't checked really about NFT, but I'm into day trading. If there are coins, the ape is NFT, right? The NFT ape. Yeah, if they enter the trading, then we will trade them. But with NFT, I don't know. It's more like hodlers. You wait for it to go up and then you sell it to others. So it's the other way of hodling. Okay? So right here, what if you have so many funds that you can let your funds slip, then you can do that. You are like hodling. But make sure you get the right one. Okay? Okay. Okay, so right here in the weekly time frame, small red, big green. What do you call this candlestick pattern? For those who have been watching our live, I hope you know already. This small red and big green. What's this called? Can someone answer from our live chat? What's it called? Candlestick pattern. Small red, big green. I'm waiting for your comment. Do you have idea? Can I see it? Yes, this is the first bullish pattern in our weekly time frame. No one? No one remembered? Okay. 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 Okay, I'll show you then. This one is... You really sure no one will answer, huh? Okay, this one is bullish engulfing. Small red, big green. Small red, big green. Bullish engulfing. That means it's gonna start going to the upside. It's engulfing. It's preparing to pump. Small red, big green. We are done with the consolidating here. And we have red, green volume here. So we might as well see some pump more. Okay? This one, we were not able to pump much. You know why? Because this one is bearish. This one is bullish harami. This is still neutral. It pumped here. Not much power. And then went down. But right here, this one can really pump hard. Okay? I think this one can long wick first. Of course, it always need a long wick. Just like everybody else has a long wick. So just like the pump here, look at this pump. Before it pump to the upside, it has long wick first. Let me liquidate all the long position first before going to the upside. Okay, that's always the narrative. It's same of bullish harami. Yes, it's close to bullish harami, but this one is bullish engulfing. Okay, this is bullish harami. It's big red, small green. Okay, big red, small green, bullish harami. This one is bullish engulfing, small red, big green. Okay, so right here, bullish engulfing. It's going to the upside. Okay, and I mean here, yeah, this one also is bullish engulfing, but this has long wick. Okay, it needs to liquidate first the long position. Those who open long needs to open short. Needs to get liquidated, because most of people are not using stop loss. Okay, so if there are 100% traders, then let's say 80 to 90% of them are not using stop loss. If they're trading in futures, maybe 50% are not using stop loss. Okay, because most of the people who trade in futures, they must have already known how to use stop loss, because you will not trade in a risky venture if you don't know how to use stop loss. So they will be stop out in the trade, and then it will pump again. And for those who ride in the short position because it's pretty low, oh, it's gonna dump again, so they all open short position, and then it's a bear trap. They got trapped and then pump, and then they get liquidated, those who open short position here. Okay, so that's how the market, the smart money, does its job. And right here we are having this one, so this is bullish. We can expect a closing candle in the weekly time frame, a green candle. Okay, we might retest up to here. Okay, we might retest up to here, 45892, and even break this area right here. Okay, we're gonna try to fill this one, and if we hold the support, then we're gonna have a rally base rally. Okay, in our Wyckoff market structure, it's gonna continue to the upside. But of course, we found support here. If this is already the long wick, if this is already the wick that we are waiting, then it's gonna continue to the upside already. Okay, but if not yet, then we can expect more and find again here in 37, and then pump again to the upside. Okay, because it's still long wick, it's still 7 days. We still have 6 days and 14 hours. Hello, JJJ, meow. Ed Ben Recto, hello. Zivion Gaming, hello. Thank you for joining us. We are an educational platform, and you can check our previous live stream and add it to your trading strategy. Ed Ben Recto, hello. Thank you for joining us. We are an educational platform, and you can check our previous live stream and add it to your trading strategy. Okay. So you can just add it because you already have your trading strategy. In daily time frame, what do we have in daily time frame? So in daily time frame, we found support here. Okay, 40,443. We bounce here. Okay, the last candle we closed red, but we bounce here in our trend line. Okay, this support right here, because this is right here the resistance. Okay, let me show you. Rejected. Oops. We got rejected. Oops. We got rejected here. Break down again, and then break, and then rejected, and then rejected, and then support. So, and now we might find support again here, and then pump again. We'll see. If this breaks, then we're gonna go to the downside again. Okay. So in daily time frame, we are bullish. Okay, our awesome oscillator is bullish. Our RSVVB is still in constriction phase. Okay, when I say constriction phase, look at this one. It's like the BB, Bollinger Band. It constricts first and then pumps. Okay, and right now we are constricting. We are waiting for a massive move again. Either massive move to the upside or massive move to the downside. Okay, so we are still in consolidating. Okay, and we call it in Wyckoff market cycle, we are still in the accumulation phase. Okay. Okay. So that's daily time frame for you. 4-hour time frame. So we are still inside the box. This is our accumulation phase right here. Okay, unless we break this accumulation phase, then we're gonna continue our box here. We're gonna continue to stay here. So we need to break this box and chill. Okay, just like we have a box and chill here and a breakout. Our accumulation phase right here. Okay, and we started pumping to the upside. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. If this is already the mirror, look at this one. Let me encircle. Okay, if this is already the mirror, this one is this one, then this would mean we're gonna go here. Okay, but if not yet, then we're gonna continue more to the downside. Okay, so if this is the mirror of this one, because usually they copy each other, it's a duplicate. Okay, okay, so in 4-hour time frame, what do we have here? We are still in retracement. You can look at our awesome oscillator. We print red volume. We still have 1 hour and 6 minutes. Okay, if we close below, that's dangerous. It's gonna dump as hell. Okay, you see, every time, let me show you something. You see, every time it crosses, it dumps as hell. If whenever we crosses the negative, look at this one. We crossed the negative, it started dumping. Okay, went down. Once we open negative volume, and once you open negative volume, you're gonna stay for a long time. Our long time right here, we stayed even. What day is this one? March 4. Up to what day is this one? March 4, this one is March 15. That's almost 11 days in the negative side. Okay, that's bearish, right? So we even formed the double bottom. So I hope we get to respect this double bottom so we can make a breakout, and the breakout target is 46,916 for this double bottom right here. Okay, you can still see the double bottom, right? This is the double bottom. Let me draw the trend line. Okay, and then the price target from bottom to top, and then you place it here. And that's your price target right there. Okay, if that's not happening, I think there is a breakout already. Let me isolate this bottom one here and let me form to you a cup and handle. I can say cup and handle, cup and handle. Can you see the cup and handle with me? Okay, let's say this is the cup. Okay, that's the cup. And let me show you the handle. Okay, the handle is right here. Okay. Okay. And then let's have this one also. So this is the cup and handle. Okay, so that's the cup and handle. This is the cup and this is the handle. And as you can see, there is already a breakout in the handle. Okay, from the trend line. Look at it in 1 hour time frame. We can see it better. Okay, so we have formed, and we are forming a change of direction. Okay, there is a change of direction in this area. We have been holding this area. We haven't broken this. Once we break this, it's gonna pump more. We need to break this area. Okay. We got rejected. I hope you break it. You still have 3 minutes. Some retracement first. Okay, let's go back to 4 hour first. We'll check later the 1 hour, okay? So basically, we are forming cup and handle, and the breakout for this one is, the first breakout is from bottom to top. This is the first breakout. This is the first price target, 42, and then the second price target is from bottom to top here. From bottom to top. Okay. Okay, so the price target is right here. Okay, so 46.5. Okay, that's a institutional order position. Usually, smart money orders with double zero ending. Okay, so 46,500, 46,000. Just find double zero ending, and that's the buying zone and the supply zone of the institution. The algorithm, okay, the bots. It's not humanly traded, okay? When I say smart money, people are not trading it. It's the bots already. Okay? The people will just look at the computer and see if there is any glitch, okay? Glitch in the matrix. Okay, okay. So, how are we going to trade this one? I think we are ripe for long position if we break this one. So, if I'm gonna give you a long position, I should give you long position once this one breaks, right? But actually, this one here, because breaking this or closing above here means we have formed not a lower high. Lower low, lower high. Okay? Because to break a trend, okay, let me draw. Primary, lower high, another lower high. So this one needs to go above. So this is not lower high. Then this trend is broken. Okay? But if it closes here and then goes down again, then that means the trend will continue to the downside. This is another lower high because this is higher high. Okay? And we need to close above here. Okay? So maybe the next candle 1 hour will close. Let me check in 4 hour. Oops. Okay. So we need to close above here, okay? This one. So we need to close above here. So we can break the 4 hour time frame lower high. High. Okay, let me delete the brush. Okay. So that's what we are looking at in 4 hour time frame, and let's check now some Fibonacci line. Okay, let's pull out some Fibonacci line. Swing high, swing low. Okay, this is close. We are about to break the 0.5. I think 0.5. Okay. 0.5 is 41427. So we are really get the rejection area here. We need to break this area here, okay? Let's pump. Let's pump, boys. Okay, another candle is broken. So we might pump this area right here. Okay, okay. And find support here. If you're gonna open a long position, I can suggest you can open here on stop loss here. Just below here. Okay, because that means once you touch below here, that means our trading has been invalidated. Okay, so you put your stop loss here. If you open here, if you want, okay, and another open long position is right here. I'm gonna give the specific, okay, in our trading practical group. Okay, so that's for our Bitcoin. Okay, okay, okay. Hello, 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 everyone. It's already 7 p.m. and we have a suggestion, so we'll just check ADA, okay? And then we'll go to our raffle. Make sure you commented 20 USDT so you are able to join our raffle, okay? So ADA is bullish in 1 hour time frame. We have already crossed the positive. 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is actually still higher high. So we'll see. We'll see. If we're done already, this one is flat. Let's check for the next volume candle if it opens a green volume candle to the upside, okay? If you want to trade this one, swing low here, swing high here. You have retraced already in 0.5, so this is already bullish. It's already going to the upside. If you want to open long position, you can open here. Okay, that's your open position. This 0.236. And then your take profit, let me just pull it from top to bottom. You can take profit here in 1.618. Okay, or 1.5, 96196. Okay. Thank you for joining our live. We appreciate you checking out our live, okay? So for those who want to join our raffle, just comment 20 USDT, okay? Yesterday we have a winner, John Kenneth, right? So we have winners. Winner chicken dinner. I think I messaged it here. $5 John Kenneth. Every Sunday is the raffle, okay? So John Kenneth has been consistent winning $5. 10 USDT John Zamudio. Okay? And then 20 USDT Sam Buezon. So congratulations to our winner yesterday. So make sure you have complete entries every day, okay? Most of them, these 3 people are consistent every day. They always have entries, okay? That's why more entries, more chances of winning. Okay. And you always bring your luck with you. Raffle generator. So, this is our raffle generator. We're gonna wipe the 250 entries. So, let's wipe it now. Clean again. We're gonna start again. Since it's another week. Just don't forget to comment 20 USDT, okay? Matthew don't have entry yet. Lodi don't have entry also. Just saying hi, okay? Lee, Matthew, B. Zangwin. I thought you're gonna change your Jangwin because the lucky name is always in J, right? John and John. Rian, Perenya, do you have an entry? If you are still present, you can comment present if you're still here, okay? Melody Rogando, ako si Julo. Okay, I already added ako si Julo. Myro Jr. Jeramil San Jose. Ruby Buezon. Myla Ranido. Blair Diane. Meow. John Russell Bertulfo. You can join our raffle, okay? If you're interested. John Paulo Lumaps. So Marie Guerrero. Sam Boison. You can beat me. Mr. Random, you can join. And Magic Chess. John Kenneth. Do you have already entry, John? Not yet. John Kenneth Velasco. John Kenneth Lee. Magic Chess. Allen. I think we can play chess, Allen, huh? You play chess? I like chess also. I appreciate. I like playing chess also. You can also teach your children chess because chess is a good sport. It's a brain exercise. I have low rating though. I just have 1.5 rating in chess. Just a hobby player. In chess.com, I'm just 1.5 to 1.7. So not that good. That's enough for my brain to exercise. Okay? So it keeps me thinking. John Anyora. Zevion Gaming. Edben Recto. I see new names and I appreciate you joining us, okay? Hope to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna have it 8 p.m. Okay? Because we're gonna have a Zoom class at 6. Mr. Random. Adrian Banuelos. Melissa Jane. Sobre Peña. Hello, Melissa. Good to see you here. Our silent viewer. Yeah, we have a minimum transfer, I think. Or you need to have a fund password. Okay, go to settings. Or you chat the chat support. The chat support will help you. Okay, so you need a fund password so you can sobre peña. So you can create your fund password. Okay, chat support is 24/7 in the ULIAN app. Okay, so you just need to chat there. Jan Anyora. Okay. Okay. So I think all is here. Everyone, thank you for joining our live today. See you tomorrow 8 p.m. And if you want to join our Zoom class, be part of our practical group, okay? All the best. Cheers. Let's make some money. Stay safe, trade safer. Bye-bye.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are